How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm back working on the Mini fitting rear Union Jack tail lights. At the top and the sides and the bottom. So with the electrical connection, it's just the same as before. It's just simply a push fit. It can only go in one way. That's it in. Then you get a free T20 screws. Just give them a little start. Make sure everything's lined up. So at this point I realised that the screw retainer at the back was actually missing, so I had to remove the light and find it. Right, while I was removing the rear tail light, this little retaining clip had inadvertently fell down inside the body. Now once I picked it up, it's just a case of pushing the square through the square hole of the bodywork and then turning the retaining clip anti-clockwise until the hook of the clip fits onto the light surround, and then it's just a case of refitting the light as normal. So it's just a case of fitting the 3 T20 Torx screws, tightening everything up, not going too tight because it's plastic. As you can see with the plastic trim here, there's just little sort of holes here, and then they just clip into the light surround, and that's all that holds it in. got to line everything up. Okay, now that the tail light's been fitted, what I'll do now is I'll reconnect the battery, and then I'll make sure that the lights, the stop lights, the tail lights and the indicators are working. Now on this car, because this is the R56, the reverse lights are down the bottom. So if you've got a newer version where your reverse lights are in here, there's a little switch that you turn over so that your reverse light will be here. But in this car, when I press the brake, this light will shine red as well as the brake light here. Okay, that's both rear tail lights now been fitted. So what we'll do now is we'll switch on the ignition and get it tested. All I'm doing here is putting on the brake lights, the side lights, the indicator lights, and just making sure everything works as it should. As you can see, everything is working perfectly. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.